This beautiful old girl is Casey. Impound number is A1329761. Now she's part Shetland sheepdog and part Pomeranian, and as you can see, she's a beautiful old girl. And when I say old, I mean it. This old girl is 16 years old. So yeah, she's got some vision problems, and she might have some health problems as well, as anyone would at that age. But what I can tell you for sure is that she doesn't deserve to live out her days on the concrete floor of her kennel here at the Agora Animal Shelter. As nice as this place is, it's not where this old girl needs to be. So somebody needs to step forward and get this old girl out of here and give her a home and a comfortable couch and a warm place to be, because she's not going to be around forever. She's 16 now. She's not going to be much trouble, and she sure isn't going to be much trouble for long. But she doesn't deserve to be here. So come on down to the Agora Animal Shelter and have a look at this sweet old girl and decide for yourself if you have room in your heart and in your life to give this old dog a comfortable place to stay. She's available for adoption right now at the Agora Animal Shelter. Come on down and check her out today.